Growing up in Jerusalem, my yamma, my mama, was always roasting spices fresh from the market. Cumin, coriander, paprika, black pepper. Mama dry pan roasting them one at a time. Their individual aroma, filling our home, feeding my senses, making my mouth water. These spices, roasted one at a time, were set aside in preparations for her making her traditional falafel mixture. Chickpeas were soaked overnight. Onion and parsley were carefully washed and added into the blender with the soaked chickpeas. Her final addition was a touch of celery before the roasted spices were mixed in. This falafel mixture was set aside for hours and hours in the fridge for the flavor to blend together to create falafel perfection. Traditional falafel, cooked with love. A Middle Eastern sensory adventure. My yaba, my baba, also have a falafel cart on the side of the road and cook traditional falafel with the wonderful spices that Mama pan roasted. Moving to Australia in 2005, I loved the country and culture, yet so missed Mama's homemade falafel. I started making my own, following Mama's traditional method, inviting a friend around to share my own Middle Eastern memory. They loved it. The taste, the texture, the unique flavor popping from the spices being individually roasted and carefully blended with the soaked chickpeas. No tin, no dehydrated herbs or vegetables, no spice from a glass jar. My friend kept suggesting that I share my falafel with the world to spread the flavor, the experience, and the aroma of the Middle East. Moving to the Sunshine Coast from Sydney 3.5 years ago, my Australian wife and I agreed that it is time for me to start my own venture. Or should I say Middle Eastern's adventure? Today, Falafel Baraka not only creates traditional falafels, we also tempt our customer with a range of dips, hummus, green tahini, carrot, and harissa, a spicy blend of chili, garlic, olive oils, and spices. We also craft Karakish biscuit to enjoy with tea or coffee, crumbly creations made from sesame, fennel, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Divine. Our customers tell us there's nowhere else they can find such a traditional flavor-filled falafel and Middle Eastern treat. They tell us our competitive products are dry and unexcited. They choose to travel to us at the market here on the coast, where we're selling our product direct from my kitchen to your table. You can find our stall at Yandina, Beridian Beach, Coolum, and now Nambour Night Market. Or you can order via Facebook or phone and collect freshly made from our commercial kitchens at Forest Glen. Our falafel and dips are plant-based and serve the current trends towards gluten-free and vegan. No additive, no color, and no preservative. Only fresh, wholesome produce sourced from local growers. Current research tells us that 30% of Australians are avoiding products like gluten, dairy, and meat. Whilst our current business model of selling our freshly made product through local markets is viable and meet my requirement of ensuring traditional methods and flavors are maintained, our customer has identified the need for us to have a presence in the health food stores and especially grocers like an IGA. This is our future focus, to supply our product off the shelves whilst maintaining our philosophy of freshly made and no preservative. Until then, Falafel Baraka will continue to pour love into your Middle Eastern's favorite, sharing my childhood's memories, Mama's cooking, exotic flavor and aroma, for you to save and enjoy with your family and your friends. Make sure you bring the Middle East into your home by visiting us at the markets or go to our Facebook page where you can order our product. Falafel Baraka, pouring love into your Middle Eastern's favorites.